Hey beautiful, guess what? I found awesome personal care items on Amazon. Gotta say, my self-care routine is getting better. First, let's talk about the Revision Skincare Nectifirm. It's a powerful product that targets aging signs on the neck and décolletage. It firms and lifts the neck and jawline while reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Get a younger-looking neck and radiant skin. Next, we have the Filorga Time Filler Eyes Cream. This miracle cream has hyaluronic acid and does wonders for minimizing wrinkles and dark circles. It lifts eyelids and enhances lashes too. It's like magic for tired eyes. Lastly, we've got the e.l.f. Skin Hydrated Ever After Skincare Mini Kit. It's a cute set with all the essentials for hydrated, glowing skin in travel-friendly sizes. From cleanser to makeup remover, moisturizer, and eye cream, this kit has everything you need. Check out the links below in the description.